Go on the bouncing ball. Yeah, come on, get it. Yeah, you're a fucking champ, aren't you? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at me, I can fucking bounce on him. Oh, then I almost just took him down. That was a pretty good move, actually. Come on, Lena. Come on. Yeah, talk to that guy in the plaid shirt. Yeah, you would. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got a 24-ounce course because I'm a fucking... Yeah, I like flannel. Oh, yeah. I'm so cool with my flannel shirt and my 24-ounce course. Douchebag. Look at her. All over him. What a slut. God damn it. Can't stand those kind of people. Here she goes. Get on that board. Yeah, get on that board, girl. Yeah. Get on that fucking board, girl. Get on that big black board. Yeah. Fucking can't handle my shit.
Bro is so
yeah.
Cool. He's such a cool bro.
Fucking douchebag. Oh yeah, I probably went surfing this morning. Yeah, I look like I can do a balancing.
Like hitting up like an overheader, man.
I can do a balancing board while I hold my beer, man, because I'm so fucking cool.
If you didn't see me getting barreled the other day, bro, like this is so much easier than that.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I can't lie, that's actually a pretty good move.
Don't talk to me, see? I'm better at Swamis. You didn't see the Swamis the other day. It was like 10 foot, and I was killing it, bro.
Got pitted?
I got pitted. It spit me out. I was like, chop. I felt one with the wave.
And
later.